Attention parents. All of the videos on How To Kids are kid-friendly, but direct adult supervision is required for all of them. We do not knowingly collect, use, or disclose personal information from children under age 13. If you are under age 13, you must ask your parent or guardian for permission to watch this video or any video on How To Kids. Thank you and enjoy How To Kids.
Hey, welcome back to
How To Kids.
Yeah, and today we are making mini pizzas out of Rhodes rolls. They're the easiest way. Yep, we're having it for dinner tonight. It's the easiest way to come up with pizzas, and kids love pizzas. They love putting it together. We have a lot of fun coming up with toppings and things that we have on hand. We have some ham here that I cubed and froze that we pulled out of the freezer today. And all you do with the Rhodes rolls is you set them out for a couple hours before you are ready to prepare the pizzas. And if you forget, you can just thaw them in the microwave on defrost. I've done that tons of times. So we pulled out about 16 Rhodes rolls. We have 7 people in our family, and we love if we ever have any leftovers for lunch the next day, huh guys?
Yeah.
Because it's so good. So the first thing that we do is everybody grabs a roll, and we pre-sprayed these pans. So there's some pans sprayed on there. Take a roll, and then you want to start flattening it out. Okay, here's yours, Eli.
It's not my cookie dough.
Okay, so you're just going to stretch it. You just want to stretch it to about a 6 to 8 inch pizza crust. Okay, now everyone make sure you don't have any holes in your crust.
Mine!
Make sure you don't have any holes. Try to spread it as much as you can. Okay, so we have all the dough spread out. The next thing we're going to add is some sauce. I usually do this part just because it can be kind of messy with kids. But I'll just spoon a couple spoons on there, spread it out with whatever topping of sauce that they want. So we're done with the sauce. Now we're going to start adding the toppings. We usually like to do the cheese first so it doesn't burn. Looks great. Okay, now there's ham, and there's pineapple, and there's onions and tomatoes. I definitely would put some meat and tomatoes on yours if I were you. Be careful. So we finished putting all the toppings on. Now we're ready to go put it in the oven. We've preheated it to 400 degrees and it has to cook for 15 minutes. And that's it. It took us like 10 minutes to throw all this together, 15 minutes to cook, and the kids love it. We're gonna go watch a movie and have pizza. It's super fun. So let's go put it in the oven. Okay, we took them out of the oven. They look so yummy, right guys?
Yeah.
We're so excited to eat them and enjoy our movie. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see our new videos as they come out on our channel. Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching How